We are here at Active Health, and look who just walked in.
I had to. You know what I'm talking about? You have to align your body, mind, and soul, and you're the guy to do it for me, so.
Come on, brother.
Thanks,
Let's roll.
Oh my god! What the hell was that?
We got this joke.
What's going on here?
We got this joke in the office that you could say like anything you want. You just have to tag on the words "That's amazing" afterwards. So you could be like, "That's amazing."
Wow.
Really?
That's awesome.
Easy, easy. Breathe in deep. All the way out. Fall back.
Oh my god, it feels so good.
It feels so good.
What?
All the way down.
Hey Chad, so how long have you been seeing Dr. Jason so far?
I think it's been about, what, like a month or, no, 2 months?
About 2 months, yeah.
About 2 months.
And how
Changed my entire life.
Talk about it.
Like, I literally was in so much pain where I would be angry all day, I'd get in fights with my girlfriend, get in fights with my friends, and it was because I had all this tension in my body, and my back was so messed up. Like, I have arthritis in my neck. Like, what? Like, why would I have arthritis in my neck? Yeah. But now when I see him, like, my body just feels better. Like, whole world changed. Like, craziness.
It's almost like you don't even have to think about it because you're able to focus on other things now, yeah?
It really is like my main priority, and that's it.
Whew. Biggest adjustment of them all, man. Love, man. Nothing but love.
You're a hero, man.
Thank you for being here, brother.
Thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure, my man. We're just retraining your brain right now, what your spine is supposed to be doing. This is putting less stress on your spinal cord itself. Yeah. All the way. So.
Yo, us oldies, we gotta stay strong. Thanks to this dude right here. That's all I can say.
I gotta take care of the spine.
Dr. Jason, am I happy to see you, my
What's
friend.
up, brother? How we doing?
I need you, man.
Bro.
Me and Jake were playing chicken, going super fast in these cars.
Yeah.
We ran into each other, man. It was game over. That's the one I needed. Who's Yo Cairo? What's up, baby?